Every adventure begins with a single step, and for me, that step starts with curiosity, to explore, to feel, and to capture the world as it unfolds.
สถานีต่อไปสยาม
Traveling is just about the place I go. It's about the memories I collect, fleeting, real, and alive. With my DJI gear, I don't just record what I see. I capture how it feels, from sunrise hikes to golden sunsets, from hidden trails to city lights. Every flight tells a story, every frame holds an emotion. These shots reminds me why I travel. To see beauty in simplicity, to connect with people and places, to tell stories that words can't describe. DJI became more than just my gear. It became my companion in every adventure. It tells me see the world from a new perspective, from above, beyond, and within. This is more than my travel story. This is my DJI story, a journey of wonder, passion, and perspective. And it's only the beginning.